Hey guys, Jesse Helmendale with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Today we're going to go over the hanging knee raise. So Andrew is going to show us what the hanging knee raise looks like. He's already qualified the hanging knee raise because on the floor we did the supine knee draw. He's good to go there. Let's go ahead and start Andrew hanging. And before you start the movement, Andrew, want to make sure he's nice and active. So his shoulder blades are back and down. Everything's crazy tight. He's nice and hollow. Rib cage is pulled under. Glutes are on. Heels together, toes together. And from here, Andrew, while staying nice and active through the shoulders and the back, is going to bring his knees up above his hips. Beautiful. And then back down. Really important. Go ahead, go and do 3 more for us, please. That he's not letting the abs kind of flare out this big overarched position, but he's staying nice and hollow. Very challenging movement. It's a lot harder than it looks. If you can find a tree branch to hang on that's secure enough, maybe you have a pull-up bar at home. You want to start off with 3 sets of 5, eventually working up to 3 sets of 15. Great way to challenge not only your core, but also your gripping strength and endurance. And then in the next video, you will see the next progression.